anything.
Hello all, myself Eva and this is my little brother Nanu. Welcome to our channel World of Ivy and Jack. So today I'm going to show that on this Christmas day our daddy and mama brought us gifts. We are going to show them, okay? A Barbie doll I got for Christmas and she's very beautiful. She has a pink hair and a beautiful smile with this white gown and boots on her, see? And it's very beautiful. Now I'm going to show Nanu's gift. This is the one Nanu got and this is the outer cover. It's a big box Nanu got. Now he's going to open it and show you. In that set we have Nanu's biggest truck ever. See, it's very big. It has inside, there's some tools. Can you show Nanu? The tools. This is a shovel, the blue one, and I don't know what that is. Comes with the tool. And Nanu, can you show what the truck does? Okay. See, it goes like that. Now our gifts were amazing and we really love it. We thanks our parents for buying them. I'm very happy to get them. So that's all for today's video. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.